Hi guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I will renovate or DIY my little caravan, which I got for pretty much free, and it's in a really good condition. It only has some rain damage and some holes and some it just needs to be updated basically. So that's the cupboard where you put your clothes in, and it's a pretty big one. That's where the bed is, and yeah, there are some cabinets that are missing some parts, but we'll be fixing those as well as we go. And the windows are in a good condition as well, so we might just clean it up, shape it, put some blinds in it, because you don't want the whole entire sun to come in summertime, and in wintertime it'd be good to have a little bit of saving air and stuff, so the whole entire air comes inside and it gets really cold, so that would be good. So I will be moving everything. So that's the down cabinet where there's there's a lot of space for this area that I can work with, but I'm just not sure what I'm going to do with it. But at the moment I'm thinking to make one single bed on one side and maybe make storage under it as well, and maybe make an extra bed on the other side, because we're going to use this as an office and as a living area. So when we daytime, if we come here, and we can change things as we go. And as you can see now, we're just gonna open all the screws from the bed, and then we'll take out the top part, and then my little helper is helping me to take some of the screws out as well. And now that the screws are off, I can take this one out of the caravan outside. As you can see, it's very heavy and it's very dirty as well, so we'll take it outside, and yeah, you cannot reuse that. And for the body of the bed, we'll take that out as well. There's 4 screws stuck on each side, 2 on each side. I'll take those out, and then at the front there's some screws stuck as well, so you need to take those ones out as well. They might take a little bit of time because they're already rusted as well, and it took about half an hour to just take the screws out because they're so rusted, and they do leave a big hole on the ground, so those will be covered by the flooring that I'll put in. And I will be trying to fix this area because it's already moist, and the rainwater went in and it's already ruined some part of the wood, so I'll try to fix that. Now I'm just going to remove all the carpet as well, and then I'll not forget to take out all the little what do you call them, staples. I need to take all those out because they are very sharp and I don't want them to go in anyone's foot. So my little helper is trying to help me as well, and he broke one. Once I do clean it, so as you can see, it already looks a little bit spacious. I'm taking the carpet out because it takes a lot of room as well, so I'll just dump it on the front of the caravan. I'll take out this area as well. This carpet is already stuck under the little So we have to take that one out. See, as I took everything out, now it looks very big and spacious. I already cleaned it. And yeah, we'll see you till next time. And do leave me a comment below and what you want me to do with the caravan and which colors should I do. And on the way I will be showing you all how I do it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye.